shut off as I was leaving, so all these little cars driving around like they gotta be somewhere in all this snow. Not sure if you can see some of the trees or not, but they're just caked. I mean, just way down. Poor girl's out there shoveling. Man, that's a dude. Jesus Christ. Yeah, that's a dude. They're not stopped. You're gonna get stuck.